The presiding officer recognizes Senator Judge Cayetano to respond to the earlier manifestation and the motion of Senator Judge De La Rosa.
Sir President, I have not heard of any court in the world that has 23 or 24 judges. Even our own very Supreme Court, very good, excellent Supreme Court, that is always in session throughout the year except when they're in a recess, don't always agree with each other. That's why when you have oral arguments, especially in division, and justice asks questions, that is not a pronouncement of the court. That is the pronouncement or opinion or question of a justice. And to be fair to those justices, sometimes yung tanong niya baliktad nung kanyang opinion. Kasi kanya-kanyang style yan ng pagtatanong. So, the language of our motion is very clear. It's not dismissed, it's not terminated. Whatever words we use, it's very clear. Having said that, Mr. President, I did not object a while ago to the issuance of summons. One, because it's in the rules. Two, we explained it a while ago that it's not anomalous to issue it. It's just not also regular because precisely we asked that the articles be returned. But the explanation there is that when it is returned back to us, if and when it is returned back to us, what they will return is a certification and that it did not violate the Constitution, and it will also show the factual circumstances of the filing of the first 3 impeachment complaint. Hindi nila pwedeng baguhin yung articles of impeachment, lalong magiging unconstitutional yon. Then you'll have to issue another summons with the amended articles. No? So, meaning, Mr. President, when we explain our vote, we give our impressions and our interpretations, but that's not the ruling of the court. And I think our motion and what we have decided today is very clear and very plain. And we just follow the letter of the motion. So it will be sent to the House of Representatives. The order will be basically a faithful reproduction of what we had on screen. And we will wait next Congress for the 12 of us who will be here and the next 12 who have been proclaimed by the COMELEC. And we will act based on yung binigay nila. So kung anuman ang sagot ng ating Vice President, we will just follow the rules that the prosecutors will have 5 days to reply, and then the rest will be up to the impeachment court and the prosecutors in the 20th Congress. That's my interpretation, Mr. President, but even my interpretation is not the ruling of the court.
Thank you. Thank you, Senator Judge Cayetano.